Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So welcome to my kitchen. The channel is about photography, everything lifestyle, beauty, and travel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my classic pancakes with vanilla berry sauce. So right now, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use for both. So yeah. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know you like videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Become part of the fam, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Okay, cool. And then hit that notification bell, ding, 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 so you know every time I post a video. And also leave a comment below, let me know how you make your pancakes or what kind of videos do you like to see next, or yeah, let me know. Okay, without further ado, let's dive in. So for the pancakes, I'm gonna be using all-purpose flour, some sugar. You know, if you live in an African household, this is not ragu. we don't throw stuff off, so we store. So anyway, this is my sugar, some baking powder, some salt, and butter, which is gonna be melted, an egg. So because I'm cooking for just myself, so I'm having my regular recipe. So the sugar is optional, but I highly recommend it. Just a teeny tiny bit. Makes a difference. And obviously some whole milk and measuring spoons and cups. For the vanilla berry sauce, of course, vanilla extract. And you can use whatever berries. I have these frozen berries because now you hardly find berries in the store. So use whatever berries you have. So I will show you how I make this sauce. And also I'll be adding like a teeny tiny sugar just to stop the acidity of the berries, and also I'm gonna add like a teeny tiny lemon juice. Okay, without further ado, let's get to cooking. So right now I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar. So right now I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So, you know, I like to make sure it's leveled. Yeah, that's it. So these are all for the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna set this aside. Also the milk, I'm just gonna use my beaker. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk. So I'm not making a lot of pancakes because it's just me. You're just gonna pour this till the line that says 1 cup. So for the eggs, I like to break them on their own because you know eggs are full of surprises. Sometimes you just break them and you see the unseen. So I advise whatever you're cooking, just put them separate because you don't want to ruin the stuff. So with the butter, I'm just gonna use like 2 tablespoons and melt. So now I'm gonna take my whisk and combine my dry ingredients. That's my flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. Then I'm gonna get my wet ingredient together. So this is the milk. I'm gonna pour in the egg. I am gonna pour in the melted butter, and then I'm gonna whisk everything together like so. I'm gonna combine my wet and dry ingredients together. So I'm gonna ditch the whisk now. So I'm gonna pour everything right in here. And then I'm gonna use my spatula and kind of combine them together. Guys, you don't want to over mix it because that's when it forms gluten and your pancake burns. So just combine it together lightly. You don't wanna overdo it. Even if it's not fully like combined, like so smooth, it's gonna do itself once it's in the pan or grill. So now that we have it somewhat combined, so right now we're going to let it sit for a minute, like at least 5 minutes or so, and I'll be back. I'll be using the skillet and also my pancake maker just to show you different variations. So I normally use my pancake maker, but for the sake of this video I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take a cooking spray, canola oil or whatever you have, and I'm gonna spray the pan just lightly so it heats up. I'm gonna take an ice cream scoop and just kind of put. So I'm also putting some on my pancake maker. So I'm gonna close it up now, and yeah, this is the best investment I make, especially when I'm in a rush. So when the edges are like brown, I'm gonna flip it. So now I'm gonna, finish it up. So for the berry sauce, so I'm using this pan. I can't remember what it's called, but I use it to melt caramel, butter, whatever. So you'll have it on here, and I'm gonna put some lemon juice, and also, so I have blueberries, raspberry, strawberry, blackberry, and then I'm gonna put a splash of vanilla and also some sugar just to kind of balance the acidity of the berries. So I'm gonna let it kind of boil, kind of simmer till it has like this tangy consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna let it, and I'll show you the finished product. Nice and simmery bubbly. So once it's a very thick consistency like jam, is when you know it's time to turn it up, or your own personal preference. And then this, so I just switched to this completely. Guys, if you get this will save your whole time. So because it's always, I want to do multiple stuff, so this helps. And look at it, guys. Ooh, look at that. Hey guys, pancake is all ready, all stacked up. So now it's time for me to pour in the berry sauce. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you try this, please tag me, Picturesque. I would love to see how you make this. Thank you.